sweet dance move.
That twist is brilliant.
Is that what it's called? A twist twirl?
It's not a twist twirl, it's just a twist.
That's what I said. It's a twist twirl. Or did I say twirl twist? Or was it twirly twisty twirl? What? You better check out how the Kid Crew break it down.
This move is called the sticky feet. Let's learn it. First, twist your feet from side to side and don't forget to move your arms as well. The next part of the move is all about getting unstuck and balancing on one foot. Like this. Now you give it a go. Ready, set, dance! That's it! You're doing the sticky feet! Woohoo! Ready, Freeze? I have a feeling this move is about to take us on an unbelievable adventure.
5, 6, 7, 8. Imagination Station, activate!